Hey guys, I'm in my kitchen today and I'm going to teach you how to make 鱼香茄子 mince pork with aubergines. Aubergine, trim the head and tail, and then you want to peel off the skin. This is because the aubergine skin is quite bitter and quite rough. So by peeling off all the skin, you're left with just the meat and the aubergines will taste better. So what you're going to do, you're going to halve the aubergine, you're going to halve it again, and then you're going to cut diagonally upwards into 4 to 5 pieces. So each piece will be diagonal and like a triangle shaped. Carrot, you're going to cut into little cubes and you only need a very small amount. Cut into strips first and then cut into little cubes. Green pepper, again, we're going to use 1 small amount of green pepper, finely diced for contrast and color for the dish. So you only need about this much. Face it down, cut it into strips, and then dice it. And that's all the vegetables you need for this dish. I have got some minced pork. We're going to pre-boil them and I'm going to show you how. Now we're going to make a sauce. In a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of DouBanJiang, satay sauce, about half a teaspoon,柱侯酱, about half a teaspoon. The key factor of making this dish taste good is the combination of these 3 sauces mixed together, and some potato starch water for thickening. So now we have our ingredients, we're ready to start cooking. First of all, in a wok, add some hot water. We're going to boil the minced pork. You can add a bit of Shaoxing wine and some sesame oil. This is a very quick process and it should take only about 10-15 seconds. Heat up your wok again and we're going to add some oil. We're going to fry the aubergines. How do you know when your oil is ready? Get some water and flick it. If you can hear that, it's ready. Aubergines in. Turn it on medium heat. And we're going to let it fry for about 2-3 minutes. Now that the aubergines have settled, we're going to turn it on high heat. In the same wok, add your minced pork back in. Add your veg. Add your sauce. Fry for about 30 seconds. Now we're going to add water, about 1.5 ladles. Now we're going to season. Oyster sauce, about 1 tablespoon. MSG, about half a teaspoon. Sugar, 1 teaspoon. Some dark soy sauce. Some light soy sauce, about 1 teaspoon. Aubergines back in. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. Let it simmer for about 30 seconds. Now we're going to thicken it with some starch water. Bit more dark soy. Now we serve. Add your spring onions. So there you are guys, that's how you make minced pork with aubergine, 鱼香茄子. See you next time!